So GameStop Kids, check this shit out. And I hope my sound is working this time. Sorry about the loop ring video. I'll make that one again, I promise. But basically, look. GameStop Kids trademark. What is this shit, you? GameStop Kids, huh? Filed 11/11/2021. GameStop Kids serial number 97120659. Primary international class, advertising, business management, business administration, office functions. Primary U.S. classes, miscellaneous, advertising and business, insurance and... Oh my god, insurance and financial? What? Weird. Active. GameStop Kids. Is this the real company, though? Oh, yeah, it's the same lady. Same lady that does G America. Cavaruso. Interesting. Yep, party is GameStop Incorporated. Grapevine, Texas. That's the headquarters. Interesting shit. Foreign for-profit company? Huh. Small business management of retail and online retail stores, online retail department stores, services, online retail services for downloadable and pre-recorded music and movies. Retail store services in the field of video, computer and electronic games, retail store services featuring computer, video and electronic games, pre-recorded DVDs, CDs, memory cards, memory cartridges, and flash drives containing movies, video, and music, books, magazines, strategy guides, computer hardware and accessories, computer console game hardware and accessories, toys, trading cards, action figures, online retail store services provided via a global computer network featuring computer, video, and electronic games, pre-recorded DVDs, CDs, memory cards, memory cartridges, and flash drives containing movies, videos, and music, books, magazines, strategy guides. Jesus Christ. Computer hardware and accessories, computer console game hardware and accessories, toys, trading cards, and action figures. Damn. So, oh, this one's actually got some movement on it. So 11/15, new application. 11/18, new application, office supply data entered in TRAM. December 3rd, TEAS voluntary amendment received, assigned to LIE on 12/07, and then 2021 12/09, preliminary amendment entered. Holy shit. GameStop Kids, yo! It's a thing. It's a thing.